Welcome to Book Art Wizard. I am so excited to show you our website. I try to do it as simple as possible for everybody and with as much information as I could, but also not to be too overwhelming on the pages. We have Book Art Wizard is my new website, and you can read about me, why I developed it, and we have a very simple website and pattern builder for you, so where you can instantly download, you can change the sizes of your strips, lenticular and single photo strips art. Here are the pricing. We can choose 4 different options over here. And if you have any questions, the basics I try to answer. And if you need to get in touch with me, here is easy way to get in touch with me. Join us on the Facebook page or YouTube. There are lots of information there. I created a photo gallery over here. If you click on any of the photos, you can browse through the finished book art that we have done. Also, I created a tutorial page. Lots of different photo strip styles you can find on our tutorial page. Here at the shop, you can pick which subscription you want. Again, it is for 1 month or 1 year. One month it will be either personal or commercial use. For the personal use, you will have a logo on the front page of your pattern. On commercial, it's clear. For the personal, you cannot resell anything, you cannot post and share your pattern. With the commercial one, you can do whatever you want. Also, on if you choose any of these, let's say you will go for $55 personal, it will get you into your shopping cart. And I guess I have to, just gives me three years over here now. Let's go. We're just testing it. Okay, now we have, it will give you a 1-year subscription. I have a special code that will be available for our group, and that will be valid until February 15. Once you apply a coupon, it will take 10% off for 1-year subscription, either personal or commercial one. So when you proceed to your checkout, you will get to your account information. And once you pay, you can also just register and go inside, but you will not be able to do any patterns. You can register, you can go to your dashboards, you can get to your account, but you will not be able still to do any patterns. This button will be for those who paid. So once you paid, you will see that template button over here. You click on it, and you will have your pattern builder over here. If you want to go back, you just click on your on the logo. Okay, so when we go back to the pattern builder, here you will put your pattern information. Let's say we will do test 22. Oops, test 22. And here you have options if you want to do centimeters or you want to do inches. For the inches, you will have a 0.5, 0.6, and 0.7 size of the strip. If you pick in centimeters, you will have 1.8, 1.5, or 1.3 centimeters. Pages, if you have anything before number 1 page, you can put -9. And page, let's say 200 pages, so let's do 199, so it's a little bit faster. Over here, again, if you pick inches over here, it will show you the height in the inches. So I pick centimeters, so it will show me the height in centimeters. So I am putting 20 centimeters height. Over here, it's a single pattern, or you can put lenticular pattern, whatever you want to do. So let's do single pattern. Over here, if you want 45 degrees cuts on the top of the strip, you can choose if you want that. And if you want to ink saver, if you want to sync a ink saver, you click on it. If you do not want an ink saver, you just leave it blank. Okay. This one is just for me, just because I have both available right now. So let's upload image. Let's say this one. And here you can crop. You can crop the image any way you want. If it's a little bit too much, too little, so we apply the crop and we will generate the pattern. Now it will show you what the strips are generating. We have it complete. And now we can see the pattern. This is for personal use, so you will see that it's written over here for personal use. The numbers of the pages are on multiple places, so I put it on the bottom, on the right side, on the top of the left side, and also on each strip, because everybody has a different style how to cut their strips and how to fold their strips. Okay, if you want to check your pattern, you can do check and see if all the pages are there, or you can use 3 pages beside each other and say, oh, okay, it looks wonderful. There is the end of the frame, this is the beginning of the frame, it looks good. All right, we can download it, and now we have a pattern ready. So it takes literally a couple of 1 minute to create everything. It depends how fast you are with your picture. Okay, so that's with 45-degree cut lines. If I take those cut lines out and I do not want an ink saver, and I will use the same image, now we are doing the full color pattern. Again, all your pattern information is here, and that's how it will look when you have a full color pattern. Again, numbers are over here on the left, on the right, and on the strip. You have orange lines over here just to make it easier for you to cut. The reason I put orange color, because orange color will be visible on the black and orange color will be visible on the white, unless it's really like orange on orange, but I'm sure that you can find the solution. So again, you can check it out, and it looks good, then you can download it and it will look again nicely. I will show you how to do the commercial one. Okay, so if whoever purchased the commercial license, I will generate the same pattern, and you will see the difference between the personal and commercial. The commercial license do not have anything on the picture that you put in the system. It's the same thing, except there is nothing on your front. So if you are selling it, if you are sharing it anywhere else, this one will not have, for personal use only. Okay, now I will show you, let's do now lenticular pattern. Okay, if you want to do cut lines, you want to do ink saver, and now it will show you that you need to upload 2 pictures. So let's upload one. Let's say this picture, and again you can adjust it if you want less of the sky or anything else. Apply the crop, and let's do another one. Let's do pink, so we will see the colors as they will be created on the pattern. Generate the pattern. It just takes a little bit of thinking to put everything together for the computer, right? And here we go. So we have a pattern over here again, all your information here, and you have those 2 pictures that we will be folding, and here's your pattern for lenticular fold. Okay, when you do lenticular, I would suggest to do bigger strips, so it's easy, because this is 1.3 centimeter strip. Okay, I would suggest to do at least 1.5 or 1.8 for the lenticular, so it's easier for you to fold the strip. The strip has to be fold in exactly in the middle in order for you to see both pictures. You just download your pattern, and that's how it will be. This is 1.3 centimeters, so that they are pretty small. Some people like small, some people like a little bit wider because it's easier for their hands. Whatever you prefer. Okay, so I hope that you like it. That should be the same. Lenticular will work the same way. If you want a full color for the lenticular, you just choose a full color with the cuts. If you want cuts, if that makes any difference. For some crafters it doesn't. For some crafters it does. It will do the strips again for us, and it will show us a full color pattern. Okay, and that's where the full color pattern. Orange strips are for the cutting, and right in the middle you have your folding space where you have to fold the pattern. So that will be a full color pattern for lenticular fold. Well, I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me. I'll leave my contact information below the video, and if you want to join our group, that will be wonderful. I look forward to seeing you. Take care.